Hi, Jennifer Nicely here with Pinnacle Real Estate Academy. Today's video is about the new South Carolina Realtors Association contracts and addendums that cover personal property. See, what's happened in the past is buyers and sellers would argue back and forth over what personal property actually is versus fixtures and what stays. And so the contracts committee spent a lot of time putting this list together, going over what is a fixture and what actually stays versus what does not stay and would be considered personal property. There is a very lengthy list of fixtures that are spelled out so that there is no question that it stays or it doesn't. A couple of those items would be drapery and curtains, or any type of cloth that you may have on a window, whatever you want to call them. So those are a couple of ideas. They also have at the bottom where you can write in what does not convey. Let's say chandeliers or light fixtures in a home, they're always going to convey because they are a fixture. They are attached to that property. However, there are some situations where sellers may want to take that chandelier. And if that's the case, they would write it on this personal property addendum. Now, my recommendation to you is to have your sellers fill this out and sign it and upload it to your MLS associated docs, just so that everyone is completely clear as to what conveys and what does not convey. One thing I want to make clear: this addendum does not take care of a bill of sale when you are dealing with personal property that is going to convey. This more focuses on the fixtures that are going to stay, to let the seller know that they can't take it and to let the buyer know that that will automatically remain. So again, if you are dealing with a property that is selling fully furnished and they are getting a loan, please communicate with your lender how your lender needs you to handle that personal property. Put it on a bill of sale, put it on another document. Please contact your lender every time. We've talked about this in continuing education classes. If you've attended any here at Pinnacle, we have covered this. This new addendum does not solve that problem of the personal property bill of sale and how your lender wants you to handle it. This addendum is specifically to notify the buyer and seller of what fixtures are going to remain so that there is no question at all. And then if the seller wants to remove a fixture from the property, it would go on this addendum. So this addendum is a good thing. It is something you should implement in your business, whether you're a buyer side or seller side. Go ahead and have both sides fill this out to protect you and the other client on the other side. Just know, I still want you to reach out to your lender on every single transaction if personal property is conveying, and ask them in writing how they want you to handle it. I hope this information was useful to you today. As always, if you have questions, feel free to comment below. Reach out to any of us here at Pinnacle Real Estate Academy.